Still quiet here on this block in New Orleans. I'm walking a couple blocks today. I want to see if Dirty Laundry is open. I need to do laundry. You could still see we're waiting for pickups from garbage and debris. Such a shame because I don't know when the post office is going to start running and deliveries are going to start coming to the houses. And I don't know how this slipped my mind so easily this morning. I have power! Power was restored to the crash space. It came in late afternoon after I finished filming videos, and I spent all day inside air conditioning. This is exciting because Kim's Laundry here, Dirty Laundry, is open today. I could do my hurricane laundry. But I'm over here at the laundromat. I just had to put in the largest washing machine because I wanted to wash my blankets because during the hurricane and the aftermath, I was eating on top of the blankets because there's only one spot for light pretty much. You can't light up your whole place or light up the whole van, or in the van I don't have a table and stuff like that. So I'm washing all my blankets. That way they're nice and soft and germ free. But $6 for that wash because it's the largest one. Folding is going to be the worst though. So me and one of the neighbors were talking about food shopping because I went food shopping yesterday and there was hardly anything to get. But when I went to Rouse's, which is the family-owned grocery store in New Orleans, Rouse's, they had more stuff than Winn-Dixie. So I was buying a lot of stuff, and then I waited 20 minutes in the cash register line because there was long lines because everyone's buying food. So I got to the cash register, and then they said cash only. I dumped everything at the cash register because it's not my job to do go-backs, especially for waiting for all that time. Then I went to Winn-Dixie. Winn-Dixie was like a circus was going on. And there was hardly any food. The good part is I did get out of there by using a card, but I have limited food in my freezer and refrigerator right now. But I have enough to get me through the weekend. Plus I have a lot of dry stores and stuff like that. I just wanted to try to get some proteins. But a lot of meat has been starting to go bad in the stores. So I think food will be back probably on Wednesday. That's whenever the supermarkets actually put out their flyers. You can hear all those cicadas. Oh my God. It's funny to hear wildlife back though in New Orleans. Well, I gotta tell you, it's been pretty amazing hanging inside today. Just because of the air conditioning and actually using the bathroom and not sweating while I'm in there. So that was kind of cool too. I'm going to Walgreens right now, gonna pick up some snacks. But I gotta tell you, there was something interesting that I thought of. Like, I was having such a good time watching TV in my place where I'm staying, where like the sound's great, the picture's great, and using the media center that I built out of Raspberry Pi 4. So it's giving me ideas for the van for more sound and more picture, and also making sure light doesn't come out when I'm on the street. Because I did have somebody knock on my window one night. The guy who knocked on my window actually asked if he could buy my lighter. I chose to light a cigar, and then he started walking around, and I kept watch. It looked like he was avoiding all the lights on the street, like he was looking to do some crime or something. I had to yank out my bear spray and keep it ready. But either way, everything seems to be okay in the neighborhood now. Now we got lights and electricity. Just got to go see what's left at the Walgreens. Currently, right now, I just got out of Walgreens and walking along Canal Street here. Actually, at this point, it turns into Canal Boulevard almost. But it's funny. Walgreens was closing in 7 minutes when I got in there. Apparently, they're closing at 4 p.m. nowadays. And Yeah, half their counters were empty with all the junk food and stuff like that. Luckily, I read the flyers and stuff like that. I got 4 candy bars, but it did cost me $4. It's a little like off each one, like 29 cents off each one. Across the street there is a church that hasn't been open for a while. New owners, but they've been serving hot meals under those tents. Even had a drive-through line. I think they serve lunch every day and then dinner at 5. But if I can't find food, I wonder how they're finding food, if it's expired or not. I do have to get into my van because I need to get my happy hacking keyboard because the keyboard on my laptop doesn't work, and I'm using my wireless keyboard to go into my media center. See, Katie's is boarded up still. Katie's is always popular to the point where I can't find parking for my big old van sometimes when I park down here. Either way, gotta go in the van and get that keyboard. Rolling up on Buzz Bomb right now. Ooh. Yeah, that's my wireless keyboard, and that's the happy hacking keyboard upside down. I did break, you can see right there, that little thing. I gotta glue it together or get a little another feetsy, maybe 3D print it or something. Turn off the AC right now so you could hear me properly, but I just want to thank you for watching today's video. If you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you want to lay down a comment, that's fine. And if you want to be notified by any further videos, just ring that bell up above. That's going to let you notify about all videos that come out, or you can personalize your content. Either way, thank you so much for watching, and hopefully I'll get to work on the van real soon.